Sure. Can you unlock my door?
Yeah, we'll figure that.
Hey, come here. Here, we're talking to you, man. You're not going anywhere. Take your hand out of your pocket for me. Just take your hand out.
I just need my stuff.
You can get your stuff when we're done, man. Take your hand out of your pocket for me.
No, I need my stuff, sir.
I need you to take your hand out of your pocket for me.
I can't do that, sir.
Why can't you do that?
Because I can't. I have rights.
You have rights?
Yes.
Your hand's
I have
gonna...
rights and my belongings are in that room.
And we will address that, and we'll help you with that, but I need you to take your hand out of your pocket.
I'm serious.
So listen, we don't need to go anywhere besides talk to you, but your hand's got to come out of your
Excuse
pocket.
me?
We're talking to you. You're detained. You're not going anywhere. You need to take your hand out of your pocket, period. And then we can talk.
Talk. Your idea of talking is what?
My idea of talking right now, because you're not listening, is going to come and detain you. If you take your hand out of your pocket, we can talk.
All right.
Simple. Done.
All right.
See how easy that was? Now listen, come back over here. You can stay near your stuff. We're not going to grab you. Come on over here. What are you doing, my guy? Why are you trying to break in there?
My stuff is locked in the bathroom. I was taking a shower. I come out, grab my wheelchair out. My stuff's in there. Phew, they automatically locked the door on me.
Okay, how come you didn't?
All my belongings.
How come you didn't call us or something, man? We'll come out
I
here.
have no phone.
Contact them.
Who's them?
It's obviously the marina stuff,
I
right?
don't even know who runs this. These are fake buildings. So there's nobody in these buildings.
Patrol is right over there.
That's who runs the place?
Yes.
I thought it was a boat yacht club. That's what it says on the thing, yacht club.
Oyster Permanent. Don't worry about that. Okay. So we have a big old misunderstanding, right? That's what we're dealing with? Okay.
Yes, I just need my belongings out of it.
That's perfectly fine. That's all we needed to get to. Our safety comes first.
Okay.
So when you're holding something in your pocket, man,
I understand that, but
not a good thing.
I understand that.
Okay.
From my bad experiences, so I
Hey, man, this is South City. We do things differently here.
Okay.
As long as you're cool with us, we're obviously going to be cool with you.
Okay.
Okay? Why don't you come over here, just hang out. I'm going to make a phone call to the harbor master, see if we can figure out trying to get into this bathroom and get your things out. Is that fair?
Yes, sir.
Can you do me a huge favor while I do that? Just provide my partner here your name.
I'd rather not, sir.
At this point, you don't have a choice, but
I do, though.
you actually don't, because you were breaking into this building, so you were legally detained. You were legit breaking in.
My belongings are in there.
It does not matter.
I was in there. How am I breaking somewhere I was already in? I
You
was
were
in there. My
legit
stuff
trying to
in there.
break into the bathroom
trying to get back
in front of police. We witnessed
Trying
that.
to get back in, yes.
Listen, I'm not going to argue.
Look, you can't break in somewhere you already was
Listen,
in.
I'm going to go with this. I'm
Okay.
not going to argue with you.
that.
You are detained.
Okay.
This is an investigation. You are required by law to provide your name. Period.
What are you worried about giving us your name for?
That's my right not to.
It's not your right. It's absolutely not. You gave up that right when you were trying to break into this
I was
bathroom.
trying to break in. I was trying
All
to
right.
get my belongings out of the bathroom out there.
Cool. Come on over here then.
Sir.
Come here.
No, sir.
Let's
Don't do that.
get your hand out.
Get your hand out of your pocket.
He's got something in his hand. Bullet 34. One at gunpoint.
Don't fucking do it.
It's a fucking gun. Get back.
Don't fucking do it.
Subject has a gun in his right hand. Officer's tactically retreating. Get over here. I'm gonna get a long gun. You guys got this? Come here.
No, sir.
Let's
Don't do that.
get your hand out.
Get your hand out of your pocket.
Get on the ground.
You want me to get him? Are we on the test? Yeah, I'm on the task. Task one click over.
You're under arrest. Leave me alone. Put your hands
You
up,
got
sir.
40? I got 6.
Do it now!
Hands down!
Do it!
Hands
Do
down.
it! Stop! Do it! Get on the ground! Hit him again! Hit him again!
Go! He's going that way! He's going that way! All right, we don't know.
Hey, show me your hands!
Go! Go! Go back! Show your hands! Gun! He's going that way. He's going that way. All right, we don't know. Good, good. Drop it. Show us your hands. Good. Drop it. 10-11. Shots fired. Shots fired. Good. Is that a gun?